consumer surplus and producer surplus. What are consumer surplus and producer surplus? Both consumer surplus and producer surplus are economic terms used to define market wellness by studying the relationship between the consumers and supplier. They explain the opportunity cost customer for ego to gain a marginal benefit for buying a good or service. To the producer, it is the willingness and ability to produce an extra unit of a product based on the marginal cost of production more good. Understanding consumer surplus and producer surplus. When discussing consumer and producer surplus, it is important to understand some basic concepts used by economists to explain the interrelationship. Both consumer and producer surplus can be graphed to display either a demand curve and marginal benefit curve (MB) and supply curve or marginal cost curve (MC). Consumer surplus refers to monetary gain enjoyed when a purchaser buys a product for less than what they normally would be willing to pay. Its corresponding product unit price along the supply curve is known as the marginal cost or MC. On the other hand, the producer surplus in the price difference between the lowest cost to supply the market versus the actual price consumers are willing to pay. The price of a product unit along the supply curve is known as the margin cost (MC). When graphing consumer surplus, the area above every extra unit of consumption is referred to as the total consumer surplus. Similarly, the area above the supply curve for every extra unit brought to the market is referred to as the total produce surplus. When you add both the consumer and producer surplus, you get the total surplus, also known as total welfare or community surplus. It is used to determine the well-being of the market. When all factors are constant, in a perfect market state, an equilibrium is achieved. The state is also referred to as locative efficiency. The marginal cost and marginal benefit are equal. Understanding consumer surplus. To fully conceptualize consumer surplus, take an example of a demand curve of chocolates plotted on a graph. The unit price is plotted on the y-axis and the actual chocolate unit of demand per day or the x unit. The graphs below shows the consumer surplus when consumer purchase 2 units of chocolate. Calculating the total consumer surplus. To calculate consumer surplus, account for 0 unit in the graph above. The corresponding unit price is $14. It is the market price that consumers are able and willing to purchase a bar of chocolate. Since the demand curve is linear, the shape formed between 0 unit to 2 and below the demand curve is triangular. Therefore, the ordinary formula for finding an area at triangle is used. The unit item cancel out to leave the result expenses in monetary form. Example, hitunglah surplus konsumen dari fungsi permintaan Q sama dengan 40 kurang 2P yang tingkat harga pasarnya 10. Jawaban Q sama dengan 40 kurang 2P. 2P sama dengan 40 kurang Q. P sama dengan 20 kurang Q per 2. P sama dengan 20 kurang 0,5 Q. Jika P sama dengan 0, P sama dengan 20 kurang 0,5 Q. 0 sama dengan 20 kurang 0,5 Q. 0,5 Q sama dengan 20. Q sama dengan 20 per 0,5. Jika Q sama dengan 0, P sama dengan 20 kurang 0,5 Q. P sama dengan 20 kurang 0,5 kali 0. P sama dengan 20. Jika PE sama dengan 10, PE sama dengan 20 kurang 0,5 QE. 20 sama dengan 20 kurang 0,5 QE. 0,5 QE sama dengan 10. QE sama dengan 10. 0,5 QE sama dengan 20. Sehingga CS tanda tanya sama dengan 20 kurang 0,5 kurang 20 100 10 200 sama dengan 20 kurang 0,25 kali 2 0 20 kurang 200 sama dengan dalam kurung 20 kurang 0,25 kali 20 kali 2 kurang 20 kali 0 kurang 0,25 kali 2 kali 2 kurang 200 sama dengan 400 kurang 100 dikurang 0 kurang 200 sama dengan 300 kurang 200 sama dengan 100. Jadi surplus yang diperoleh konsumen adalah 100.